So I like a shoe-free apartment. So when you come in, we have this cute little shoe cabinet I got from like Wayfair. And it hides shoes secretly. It swings out and it's super helpful. I like concealing clutter. And then I have like a catch-all for keys and things, a little tray, and then I have this cordless lamp that I'm obsessed with that I got from Amazon. And this is our living room. As I mentioned earlier, we have these industrial touches like this giant exposed beam, which is part of the reason I fell in love with this apartment. We have this couch from Burrow, which I've talked about on this channel before. Great couch, great company. You guys have seen it. If not, go watch. And then I have this concrete coffee table I got from Facebook Marketplace. I'm obsessed with. I don't even know if this is Facebook Marketplace. I think it was OfferUp. And it just kind of like brings in like this warm and cold feeling, like the balance between all these warm tones. I tried to bring in some more warm tones to this apartment in comparison to our old apartment, which was my first video on YouTube, my apartment tour video back then. Now I'm just kind of like playing with more like mid-century modern and Japan-y type stuff. Just trying to warm up this space a little bit, like make it feel cozy, especially for the vibe in here. This is like our entertainment setup. I love like a good 2-shelf situation. I got most of this stuff in here, honestly, y'all. Like, I will be on Facebook Marketplace thrifting unless it's something that we absolutely need that's new, like a desk chair or something like that. But for the most part, like, I got these two shelves from Facebook Marketplace, and typically from CVT or Wayfair, they're about maybe $300 each. And I got 2 of them for $120. So like, definitely so in love with New York City Facebook Marketplace because you can get some crazy deals. Same thing with this bar cart over here, bar console. This is new, and I've had my eye on it for a while from West Elm. And once Jamal and I got married, we knew we would be entertaining more, so I just really wanted like a cute bar console for this corner. Just kind of styled it with a few like cooking books, with cocktail recipes and things. We have some glasses that we got from Amazon or gifted to us. And then I have this record player that I got from Amazon as well. I'm trying to get into record collecting. We'll see how that goes. But so far, it's just been kind of like a cozy statement. Like, I love just like grabbing a wine bottle and like using a glass on the weekends and heading to the couch and just chilling and watching a show or a movie. We try to decorate our shelves with like coffee table books we have, or even sentimental things sometimes. Like, I snuck in here our guest book from our wedding. We had our friends and family sign this, and I thought it was so fun. I think I got this from Artifact Uprising, so love a good photo album. You'll see a lot of home books throughout here because I'm really passionate about like interior design and home decor and stuff. So, and I love like the look of them, honestly. And then this is one of my favorite pieces in the apartment. I got this hanging concrete planter from Etsy, and Etsy always has some unique stuff. And this plant has grown so much, it's like wrapped around this thing several times because we don't want our cats to eat it. We have this slipper chair from At Home. It's just a really cute, like, cozy vibe over here. And then I have this blanket as well, just kind of like complement the room. So we also have this credenza, which used to be in our bedroom, and we just store like books and stuff in here and just some little organizational stuff from open spaces, a few coffee table books. Jamal has this basketball he's obsessed with, which I mentioned in our last apartment tour video. And then I just styled it with a few more coffee table books like Vogue, New York. This is a nice little ceramic bowl I found from West Elm. And yeah, just trying to keep our living room like separate. Like, I feel like this does a great job, as you'll see, as separating the living room from our office space, which is where I'm facing, right behind us. Originally, we do have this double desk office space because both of us worked from home for the longest time. We actually have a viral like TikTok video, like me painting to the right to show Jamal like working from home too, and I think it's kind of funny. But
and now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden, I hear this agitating, grating voice.
Now he's back to the office most of the time, and I'm here at this space, and then when he's here, this is his space. We just kind of tried to decorate the shelving above our office space in a way that made sense. Like he has like his finance books up here. And then over here I have like some cameras I have, and like an interior design book and stuff like that. So just trying to make the most out of working from home. Just in general, like our lives have changed in terms of working. So now I want to revamp this space into a dining area or a dining nook on this side, and then a home office on this side where we just kind of like share a desk, like our monitors will be back to back. So that will be my next project. Now, welcome to our kitchen area. We have these really unique stainless steel countertops that we've never seen before, but they're cool. And we have this giant island accompanied with 4 bar stools, and I'm pretty sure I got from Wayfair, that are still like mid-century modern style. And this is honestly where we entertain when we have friends over. Like, it's just such a big table, big island to commune at. And we don't have a dining table yet, so this is like where we eat sometimes, or in the living room. But in the kitchen, we just try to keep things like cozy. I have this rug here as well from like Amazon, actually, to kind of bring in these cabinets that are this mahogany here. And then for appliances, I'm literally obsessed with this toaster oven and espresso machine. Especially the espresso machine, like my coffee game has been so much better. It was gifted to us by a friend, and we just love making our coffee with the espresso machine. And then we have these plates that were also gifted to us post-wedding from West Elm, and they're so sturdy. And yeah, I'm not really much of a chef, so I can't speak to too much here in the kitchen. Maybe Jamal could, but in general, this is just where we like commune. And then as well, I have this gallery wall here. I wanted to make the kitchen at least kind of interesting because it's kind of a focal point. So we have a bunch of a variety of prints from a variety of places: Paper Studio, Etsy, et cetera. And then I got this long shelf custom made from Etsy. And yeah, just kind of like brings the eye up and ignores like all the stuff happening here, as kitchens can be kind of busy and messy at points. We have a front closet in this hallway, which is nice for storing jackets and things. And then we have this laundry room here where we have a top and bottom classic dryer, and we also use it for like a bunch of storage that you don't need to see. So this is the bedroom. Honestly, it's pretty minimal. Just purely sleeping in here and getting ready for the day, but most of the time I spend out in the living room, like at my desk or the living room area. But we have this bed from CB2. It's really nice because it has nightstands that come with it. Jade is enjoying. I got these wall sconces from Facebook Marketplace for the low. They were about 2 for $120, and West Elm sells them for like $200 each or something insane. So it was really cool to get that crazy deal, and they just really make this space. And then I have this painting, which you might recognize from my last apartment tour, is from Home Goods, and we just hung it above the bed because it's perfect in here. And then we also have this massive exposed beam that just kind of like warms up the space. It really reflects, like it balances, this bed balances out the beam, and I really love that. That's part of the reason we went with it. And then over here in the corner, we just have a shelf with like a few decorative items, pictures. And then over here, I have this makeshift vanity desk. And as you can see, I can turn the light on and off and change the different lighting settings. Essentially, I just got a light strip from Amazon and put it underneath this West Elm desk, which of course I got from Facebook Marketplace for like the low. I sit here with my makeup mirror, and I have these clear shelves underneath here, like organizational storage, where I just throw my makeup in here and it's hidden and it's out the way. And just a minimal desk setup, or if I needed to actually work from the bedroom, I can with this setup. So it's really nice. And we recently got this dresser as well. This dresser is from CB2 and we've been eyeing it for a minute. We finally splurged, but honestly, I just needed more storage for my own clothes and Jamal needed storage for his clothes, so he has our old dresser over there. And this dresser is really cool because we have this mirror here, but also I got these Amazon smart bulbs per se. They're connected to our Alexa and they're Edison bulbs still. So if I say, Alexa, turn the bulbs off, she'll turn them off. And I say, Alexa, turn the bulbs on. Sometimes she listens, sometimes she doesn't. Alexa, turn the bulbs on. Okay. They'll turn on. So it's just a cool spot. It's cozy. I like the way we did this. And then most of our stuff in here is actually smart bulb, Amazon connected. So that way we don't have to like consistently turn lights on and off, especially if it's like an inconsistent place. We don't have to reach behind like this. So yeah. Okay, and now we have another splurge. I feel like the bed from CB2 was a splurge. A dresser, like a quality dresser, is always a good splurge. But then I have this mirror that is very large. I got it from Urban Outfitters. It's like the Celine floor mirror. And it's very wide. So it's really cool to just have it this space. It really opens up the bedroom. But also I'm thinking about moving it out to the living room at some point. A girl needs a mirror for fit checks, outfits, everything. So I really like it. And then we have our bathroom. This bathroom is unique because we have double sinks, which is kind of rare in New York, but also if you turn this way, we have this giant tub. So it's a giant stainless steel tub. I put this little like bathtub caddy thing on top of it from Amazon with some to put all our bath essentials on, but yeah, it's really cool to have this giant bathtub. But essentially this bathroom is pretty large for a New York City bathroom, so we feel really happy to have like a bathroom that's kind of big for New York. There's just no storage though. I had to make all the storage. My next project after the dining table and stuff will definitely be revamping this bathroom because open storage is cool, but at the same time, like everybody can see everything and that feels cluttered.